disconnect from this side. Put your wheel chock on that back side. It'll pull it this way. Or excuse me, this side. Pull it this way. Disconnect this chain from this side.
Okay.
Put the wheel chock on there. As this pulls forward, it'll pull it this way because that wheel will want to stay. It should pull it sideways. Does that make sense? You remember where all those buttons are? You want it in the front.
Why would it be in the front?
Because you're going to be pulling up the hill. Might have to pull the skate out, but
now pull your chalk down.
did it come over enough?
Yeah. Put the mini J back down. A little bit more. That won't come off there, dude. That's all screwed up.
It's rolling over the top of the skate.
Yeah, it's going to. The front wheels roll.
Yep.
Okay, let's unhook that J hook again. That mini J.
See if we can get it pulled over more. Riding up on the rail a little bit here.
It won't be.
There she goes.
Then I'll hook that mini back up.
Cool, that worked. Boy, that's a short bed too.
There you go. Okay, now I want a different way to have to do it.
Yep. No, it's
I was thinking you use the erector to pull the winch with your winch with mine.
no, I understand, but you need to learn to be able to do it by yourself.
Yeah, and
So
I think it does. Give yourself time to think.
yeah,
Okay.
Just run all kinds of scenarios through your head. This time it took a little bit more unhooking, hooking up, unhooking. But you guys can still get it.
Well, you got to get the bed off the truck first. Gonna have to release the winch too.
Oh, I know. He'll roll it back. There you go. Okay, unhook your winch.
That's enough. Here's starting to rat nest it.
If it was me, I would have kept the winch line on for the safety.
Okay.
And then move the truck, backwards.
The truck's not going anywhere.
Okay.
If you did it the way you were, you'd be in the truck, out of the truck, in the truck, out of the truck, in the truck, out of the truck for like 20 minutes.
Okay.
So that's why you got to release the winch. If you're worried about it, put your chocks behind the wheels.
But it's dry pavement. It ain't going nowhere. Your front wheels are rolling.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So, as close as those tires are to this rail over here, what are you going to do next?
But then I was trying the truck this way to get the tires
Well,
on the.
Which way is that going to put the bed to the wheel? If you go that way with the nose of the truck.
It would go that way with it to bring the tires away from the bed.
You're not going to move that pickup sideways on the deck. That ain't going to happen.
Okay.
So, take the nose of your truck,
Okay.
hard right, as far as it'll go, and pull forward.
Okay.
Slowly.
Yeah, slowly, definitely.
You're good. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
Now straight.
Now I want to get out of the truck.
Oh, okay. Come here for a minute. Come here for a sec.
Okay. So you see what we accomplished here?
Look at the angle of the tires versus your deck now.
Oh, okay.
Now they're going straight down the deck. So if you pull straight forward, it's just going to track right down the side of the truck. Because the bed is going to go out from under it.
So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the corner of this bumper
Okay.
and keep it right down where it's at.
And then watch when you get close to the end so you don't drop it off.
Right.
You'll pull out from under it and you won't let it drop off.
Okay.
So,
When you see the getting back here, you want to slow down, take it real slow, and watch where that bumper starts to drop down to the deck.
Okay.
And that's where you want to stop.
Okay.
Okay?
nothing fast in doing any of this stuff.
Oh,
Nice and easy.
yeah. Turn your wheels back.
There you go. There you go. Now straight. You want to go straight. Yeah. And watch it in your mirror as you go. See how it's following the rail? And if you see it start to move or it wants to ride up, then you go right a little bit, get it away from the rail. You're okay. Keep going.
Great. There you go. Straighten it up. There you go. Get there.
About another foot. Keep going. Keep going. What about that much?
Now he needs to go another 2 foot. Let him get out and look at it.
Yeah.
Okay, now you got to
Oh, okay.
now
I see what you guys are
in
talking
your head
about.
of how far you need to go.
So keep rolling until you get your tire basically onto this slick spot. I don't know.
I get it.
Thing is, if you keep pulling away, it'll just pull it right off anyway.
He wants to get off the dash.
Well, even if you get it down to the slick part, then you just pull the deck out from under it.
No, that's
He's dragging, otherwise it would be a little bit higher to go. So. He might be able to get it in there. Oh, no.
Yeah.
No.
Now you just shake it off the bed, right?
Don't want to shake it. You can still drive out from under the front tire, or close to it. Close to it. You want to shoot for the center of your wheel being wrapped out
On the line.
on the end of the deck.
Okay.
Okay.
That way you just pull the deck out from under it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then probably that front lip.
The center of the axle, the axle center of the wheel.
Okay.
Because if you had to do this on a Subaru or something like that, the front bumper would be too low to let it just fall off the deck.
Yeah.
So take the center of the wheel
Okay.
Right there.
and put it with the end of the deck.
So you're looking about a foot.
Okay.
About a foot, 16 inches, something like that. Somewhere in there.
Yeah, he's hard on the pavement.
Further yet, bud. You got another foot to go.
That was about 6 inches.
6 inches? Like a foot.
No, he
From the
went.
axle to the end
He
of the-
went about a foot, about 6 inches. A little more. Stop. That's right on it.
Now you can pull the deck right out from under the truck. You got the brakes still set on the truck?
Yeah.
On this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just got to watch the bumper.
There you go. There you go. Just like that.
That's good. Yep. The other tire's still on.
Pull the deck out. Come on. Deck.
Is it all the way up? There you go.
There you go. And that's how that's done.
Yep. Then something to always remember too is make sure you, like you've done, pull it far enough away, because sometimes when you lift up, the truck will want to, this
Yeah.
truck will want to go backwards.
Yeah. Now
So.
my other skate's under that tire. Stuck under that tire.
All right. Well,
Neither of us thought about that.
I never thought about it too.
So the customer's still waiting, so let's get him
Here's
happy and...
give him the keys.
I prefer to treat everything exactly the same.
Okay.
Whether it's, you know, a cracked piece of concrete or it's freshly poured.
Okay.
I treat it all the same. That way, I always make it the same, so it's a habit.
Okay. Okay.
What's that?
Treating everything exactly the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whether it's old, new, torn up, or what. Doesn't matter.
I had to do this earlier
Yeah.
on that thing. Or the bed.
With a bed.
Yeah, that long bolt.
Oh, the
Why is Ryan calling me?
probably because my phone's in the truck.